Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But nice bounce on the day. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and now the price has been battling back to the upside. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but point here being from where it was at the lows during that opening 30 minutes to where the price is, battled back to. Good, solid move, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here at the 24-cent mark. Why is 24 cents important? I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then break to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back where it was at those lows. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, bounces around like it did right here, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have at that point? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down here if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward, and in this situation, quote-unquote progress, again, being defined right there at the 24-cent mark. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch if this upwards bounce continues, now going to be up here around, let's see, what is that, the 26-cent mark. So 26 cents, public enemy number one moving forward, but all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum moving forward? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.